guys, so I decided to try and mine NEXA last night, about 12, almost 12 a.m. So I said, let me try it for a few hours or whatever. So what I had to do was I had to update the Hive OS software because it wasn't connecting correctly. So I used my 24 GPU mining rig to mine it for a few hours, you know, till about, I would say about 7 in the morning, maybe 6-7 hours, just about, you know, about that much, just to see. So I mined it and I got 101,000 coins, which is worth about $3 and something cents. And I know that there's something going on with the network where like the coins won't go to your wallet, because when I check that pool, it says immature and they're stuck there. So for what I heard, that's the reason why NEXA has been moving up, because people can't cash out, you know, the coins or whatever. So as soon as they're able to cash out of those coins, you know what's going to happen. Everybody's going to dump those coins, you know. So pretty much everybody's, you know, that coin is probably going to be nothing but a big dump, you know, in the next coming days, you know. That's what I believe. But anyway, I tried it out for a little bit, but then I switched it back to Casper, you know. And so that's what I'm currently mining now, is Casper, you know. And I did a, you know, I figured, you know, I said, let me try it out and get a few, you know, 1,000 coins. So I decided to stop at about 100,000 coins. I said, all right, you know, I don't know, I'm not 100% sure about NEXA. So I stopped it, and I also switched these guys, because I had these guys mining Ethereum Classic on a mining booth, but being switched over to Casper. But I switched them over to mine, to exchange into Dogecoin. So I'm back to Dogecoin on these, but I'm still mining Casper there, and I only have one of these rigs up here running, getting avian coin. You know, I'm still, you know, I'd had 3 of them on last night, overnight, and then I shut 2 of them off. You know, a lot of power consumption, you know. So I'm still trying to get that million coins of avian coin. But currently I got over 800,000. Once I get the million, I'm going to stop avian coin. I'm probably going to go to Raptorium. I'm not 100% sure yet, but that's probably something I'm going to do. But that's, you know, that's pretty much what I'm doing now. And as far as this one, I'm doing the Casper right now, and I don't know when I'm going to stop mining Casper and switch it over to something else. You know, I'll see how things go, but you know, I'm very bullish on Casper, so I'm going to keep on mining Casper, you know, as we speak. That's what I'm doing right now. So that's pretty much it, guys. That's what I'm doing now. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and I'll catch you guys later on the next one. Peace.